Well, today I'm going to address something that's not just important to me, but a whole lot of women out there. How important is it to care for your under eyes, and what should you be doing on a daily basis to look after your under eye skin? Hi, I'm Pallavi Simmons, your makeup expert at Glamorous.com, along with Dr. Rashmi Shetty, your skin expert at Glamorous.com.
Why you would actually stress about under eye care is because of the speciality of the skin around the eye itself. One, it is thinner than the rest of the body, rest of the face even. It has no oil glands of its own, so therefore it remains drier than the rest of your face. The capillaries are much more superficial there. Skin is so thin, even the veins underneath are visible there. And then we tend to rub our eyes very often. So because of all of these 4 or 5 factors, it is important for you to give that extra care. When I say under eye, it's over and under eye, around the eye area.
Most of us do not recognize when one should start with under eye care. What are the signs that this is it, you should start taking care of your under eyes?
You see the skin aging first under the eye. The fat resorbs or kind of reduces there first. So you start seeing those hollow under eyes, like pretty much the age is around 25 for Indians.
Like with every other product, if it comes down to specifying under eye care, so is there any kind of ingredient that one should look for?
You look at something with an anti-inflammatory property, you look at something with an antioxidant property, you look at something with a calming, soothing property, you look at something like a vitamin K or something which kind of eases off those blood pigments and takes it away, like an arnica, like a vitamin K, any of those. And you look at something which is
Plumping.
a deep moisturizer and a plumping factor.
Now, Dr. Shetty, there are a few products that are available for under eye care, and one of them is Istial Plus Eye Contour Cream from Aven. What is your opinion about this product?
The key ingredient in most of their skincare product is their thermal water. It's very calming to the skin, very soothing to the skin. And when I look at the ingredient list, they put in pre-tocopherol, that's nothing but a vitamin E precursor. So that makes it fantastic for the replenishing the oil back there, and as well as it's a great antioxidant. Then there is retinaldehyde, which is nothing but vitamin A precursor again. So vitamin A gives you like an anti-aging effect there. So it gives you the anti-aging, the collagen rebuild because it increases cell turnover with it. It gives you the moisture, it gives you the calming, it is safe as a product.
It's like a magic potion.
So I think it's a good potion for the eye.
Yeah, sounds great. Next we have All About Eyes Rich from Clinique. Can you tell us something about it?
So Clinique, we all know again, is a very tried and trusted company. So you feel safe, the very first thing that you need for especially an eye care product.
Of course.
2, if I go through the ingredient list of this as well, it has squalene, which is a great antioxidant. It has tocopherol, that's nothing but a vitamin E precursor. It has Sempol's wort, which is again a calming agent, and it also has some tea extracts in it. You need something creamy because that's a dry area. There's no specific fragrance to it. So I'm sure it is very, very low in terms of allergens. It doesn't irritate you much. So that again should be a really nice product.
And at last we have Remelaw's Eye Contour Gel. What are your opinions and thoughts about it and its ingredients?
Remelaw, if I know it right, is a very well-known spa product. So I'm sure they have the sensorials right, for sure. If I look at the ingredients, they have arnica in it. It really works nicely if you have those capillary-induced or damaged dark circles.
Dullness.
And then they have white tea, which is a great antioxidant. So that's something that you can use in the product list, which is good. It has got magnesium, which is calming.
Soothing effect.
Yeah, so it's generally with
like
marine
a combination of all
collagens and
these.
some essential oils in it. So it just makes it very hydrating, rich, a nice product.
So Dr. Shetty, now that we have these products broken down for us and we understand what they're about, is there any specific way in which they should be applied?
When you take care of your under eye, you pretty much take care of it like the rest of the face, which means to say you have to cleanse it, you have to remove every trace of makeup from the eye area. And most of us, whether we apply makeup to the rest of the face or not, half of us with nice
Definitely
skin
have eye makeup
put
on.
some eye makeup on.
Yeah.
So you need to make sure you remove that eye makeup thoroughly, really, really well. You have to moisturize your under eye liberally well. You could use the general moisturizer you use onto the face, or you can use specific eye care products. Because most specific eye care products have certain specific ingredients for the eye. So that's something that you could use. So these are the things that you could really do.
Just like every other part of your body and your face, under eyes specifically need attention, particularly over a period of time. And Dr. Shetty has broken that down beautifully well for us, and it's pretty easy to follow. So I hope that you guys get started as soon as you can.